Good morning, Facebook friends and family. We're here today doing an open house at 3080 Polk Drive. That's in Courthouse Estates in Virginia Beach in the zip code 23456 if you're not familiar with that particular area. It's a beautiful home in a lovely neighborhood with several different villages, walking trails, and it's in the Kellam School District. It's one of a lot of people's favorite neighborhoods here in the 23456. Let's go take a look inside. So upon entering the home, we've got a formal living room area and a formal dining room area. This home has been meticulously maintained throughout the years with a one-owner family. Beautiful kitchen. Eating kitchen, actually. It leads out into the backyard with a large shed. It does have a two-car garage, but it does have a nice shed. Large hot tub spa area, gazebo area, beautiful new windows, fabulous den. We're doing a drawing today, as well as for all of our open houses until the end of the year. The drawing will be at the end of the year for a 5-day, 4-night cruise, vacation for 2. So if you stop by, please make sure that you fill out the entry form and register to win. If you have any other questions, please feel free to text 2044 to 757-693-4969, and that way you'll get all the pictures, information, pricing, and anything you need to know. Hopefully I'll see you here. Have a great day.